In a landmark yet contentious move, the Karnataka Assembly on Thursday passed India's first dedicated legislation aimed at preventing hate speech and hate crimes, drawing sharp criticism from the opposition BJP, which warned of its misuse against political dissent and the media. The Hate Speech and Hate Crimes Prevention Bill, approved by the Cabinet earlier this month, was taken up and passed in the House amid loud protests from BJP legislators. The government defended the bill by citing repeated observations of the Supreme Court on the growing dangers posed by unchecked hateful expression. Home Minister G. Parameshwara, who introduced the bill, said the law provides for punishment of up to 7 years imprisonment and a fine of 1 lakh rupees. He clarified that the originally proposed 10-year jail term for repeat offences was reduced following consultations within the government. As per the legislation, any public expression, whether spoken, written, visual or digital, that is intended to provoke hatred, hostility, disharmony or ill will against an individual, group or community, living or dead, and which harms societal interest will be treated as hate speech. Parameshwara argued that such speech often escalates into violence, disrupts public order, and corrodes social harmony. Leader of opposition R. Ashoka accused the government of using the law as a political weapon, claiming it would give unchecked powers to the police. He warned that the legislation undermines constitutional guarantees of free expression and could be used to intimidate journalists, cartoonists, and digital media platforms. Ashoka further alleged that the law could lead to arbitrary arrests and misuse, recalling past curbs on civil liberties during the emergency period. BJP MLAs echoed concerns that even satire, images and quotations could attract criminal action. During the debate, BJP MLA V. Sunil Kumar questioned whether quoting material from books, including religious texts, could invite prosecution. Responding, Parameshwara said such cases would be examined within the scope of the law, depending on intent and consequences. The passage of the bill positions Karnataka as the first state to enact a comprehensive legal framework against hate speech, even as it intensifies the debate over balancing public order and fundamental freedoms.